Hello, everyone, and good morning. Thank you for joining our webinar this morning, JIRA Service Desk for all teams. This is the first installment in our three-part series on JIRA Service Desk, so we're super excited. We will be recording this webinar, and we'll email you a link to the recording over the next few days. The email will also include a link to register for our next webinar. As you have questions, be sure to type those in the questions box of the GoToWebinar control panel. We'll get those queued up and we will try our best to answer all of them towards the end of this session. On the webinar today from Presidio Consulting, we have Amanda Babb. Amanda is our principal consultant of client delivery at Presidio Consulting. Her expertise in the business technology space spans from work with organizations in both the public and the private sector, and we can't tell you who she's worked with or else we'd have to kill you. Amanda is also an expert in all things Agile. She's a SAFe program consultant and a certified Scrum Master. Many of you probably remember her from her previous webinars, such as Atlassian for SDLC project management and her fantastic introduction to Portfolio for JIRA. And I'm Evan Perkins. I'm a sales consultant at Presidio Consulting, and I'll be serving as your faithful moderator this morning. A little bit about Presidio Consulting. We've been Atlassian expert partners for over 6 years now and are one of 5 platinum enterprise experts in the country. Over 99% of our projects are Atlassian related, and we've helped hundreds of clients across the globe, ranging in size from 20-person companies to Fortune 20 enterprises spanning many different industries. We help our clients with process-centric technology solutions that facilitate traditional business process management, IT service management based on IDLE, and software development lifecycles. In the SDLC space, we're helping clients transition from traditional waterfall to the Agile methodology. So whatever widgets you produce, we help improve the quality and throughput at the lowest cost. We support our clients in all facets of the Atlassian product suite and build methodologies and solutions across the entire product line. So we can help with solutions architecting and implementations, licensing, upgrades and maintenance, managed hosting, managed services, integrations, add-on development, and also training. And with that, I'd like to turn things over to Amanda.
Thanks again, Evan, for that wonderful introduction. Again, my name is Amanda Babb, and I'm the principal consultant over process delivery here at Presidio Consulting. I'm also a certified Scrum Master and SAFe program consultant. Before we get started, I want to just take a quick moment to say hi to our friend Jason Ryu and the rest of the folks joining us from Korea. So howdy y'all, and annyeonghaseyo. This is the first webinar in a 3-part series discussing the amazing functionality every team can experience with JIRA Service Desk. We'll start with a discussion around customer service and some of the typical issues we observe in organizations. Then we'll discuss our example company's customer support organization and what they will be supporting going forward. We'll move forward with the example to demonstrate how JIRA Service Desk assists a customer and product support organization. Then we'll take a look at how JIRA Service Desk assists an internal support organization. And last, before we entertain questions, we'll review some real-life examples of client implementations. Every organization serves customers, both internal and external. Whether it's the Scrum team developing against business requirements, or IT fixing a computer issue, or maintaining critical business systems, every company deals with customers. The best companies recognize this and need ways to help them provide gold standard service to each other as well as their end users. As stated in our previous webinars, the misconception is that Atlassian tools are only for software teams. In reality, they bring a lot of value to teams in any function. JIRA Service Desk provides a simple way for a customer, whether internal or external, to enter a request. The team triages the request and ultimately delegates the work or solves the problem. It's flexible enough to manage multiple inputs, and since it's backed by JIRA Core, it can work for every team. Brent is our director of IT at our company. And if you remember Jane and Alan from our previous webinars, Brent and his team helped set up and support JIRA Core and Confluence for Jane and Alan with assistance from their Atlassian Enterprise Platinum expert. Brent and his team will not only be supporting the Atlassian toolset, his team will also be supporting the hot new release, both internally and for customers. Enter Karen. Karen and her team are responsible for supporting internal infrastructure and applications. Karen is ITIL certified and has implemented certain parts of ITSM at our company. She wants a better way to prioritize her team's work because everything that comes in is an emergency. She also struggles with communicating how-tos and needs a knowledge base for her team as well as the rest of the organization. However, since her team is supporting all of the things and are adding the hot new release, the solution has to be easy to implement and maintain for her team. Leonard is the other half of Brent's team. He manages customer questions and support and needs a way to manage SLAs with the company's customers. He wants the company to provide top-level service as well as be responsive to suggestions. While he loves working with the Atlassian toolset, he recognizes that a customer may have no idea how to report a problem or provide a suggestion with their current setup. He's also talked to Karen about maintaining excellent customer service while being mindful of security.